Hello friends, welcome to Daily First YouTube channel. Today in this video we are going to discuss about C sharp constants and literals. So let's go to our topic. So before going to our topic, I want to say that please like, share and subscribe to my channel. So what are literals in C sharp or what are constants in C sharp? The constant is a variable whose value cannot be modified after its declaration. The constant should be initialized at the time of its declaration. Initialization means assigning value to the variable. The constant is declared by using the keyword const. Constant can be of any data type like string, int, float, numeration, and character type. Literals are the raw values of data which we assign in the constant. Suppose I am declaring a constant const string is equals to ABC. So the particular string ABC is typed as literal. If we try to modify the value of constant after its declaration, we will get compile time error. Constants are treated just like a regular variable, except that its value cannot be modified. Types of literals: integer literals, floating point literals, character literals, and string literals. So now we'll see what are integer literals. An integer literal can be a decimal or hexadecimal constant. A prefix specifies the base or radix. 0x or 0x for hexadecimal, and there is no prefix ID for decimal. An integer literal can also have a suffix that is a combination of U and L for unsigned and log, respectively. The suffix can be uppercase or lowercase and can be in any order. Examples of integer literals are given here. 3002 is integer totally. 3110 U, it means it is unsigned integer. 0x FWL is hexadecimal and 10L is a long. L stands for here long and 10 is our number. Floating point literals. A floating point literal has an integer part, a decimal point, a fractional part, and an exponent part. You can represent floating point literals either in decimal form or hexadecimal form. Floating point literal example: 3.14159. It is a floating point. 314159 E5, it is also legal and it is also a floating point literal. 5110E, it's not legal. Incomplete exponent form. Here, incomplete exponent form is there, so it is not legal. 210F, no decimal or exponent. Here, no decimal or exponent point is present. E55, it is also illegal because missing integer or fraction. While representing in decimal form, you must include the decimal point, the exponent, or both. And while representing using exponential form, you must include the integer part, the fractional part, or both. The signed exponent is introduced by E or E, small e or capital. Now we'll discuss about character literals. Character literals are enclosed in single quotes. For example, X in quotes, it is in single quote, and can be stored in a simple variable of char type. A character literal can be a plain character such as X in single quotes, an escape sequence such as backslash and T in the single quotes, or a universal character such as in the single quote backslash U02 CO. There are certain characters in C sharp. When they are preceded by a backlash, they have a special meaning, and they are used to represent like new line or tab. Here is a list of some such escape sequence codes. You can see here, I'm having here double backlash here. It means backlash character. Backslash and single quote, it is single quote character. Backslash and double quote, it is double quote character. Backslash and small b represent backspace. Backslash and F represent form field. And backslash and N represents new line. It is used for putting new line. Backslash and R is for carriage return. Similarly, backslash and T, it means horizontal tab. Backslash and V means vertical tab. And backslash X, backslash and XHH, hexadecimal number of one or more digits. Now we'll discuss about string literals. String literals are enclosed in double quotes like this or with at the rate double quote. A string contains characters that are similar to character literals, plain characters, skip sequence, and a universe of characters. And universe of characters. You can break a long line into multiple lines using literals and separating the parts using white spaces. Now we'll discuss about string literal example. You can see hello dear is a string literal. This is the string value which we can assign in a string variable. It is present in the double quotes and in between it is having single comma here. So this totally of one string literal. You can see here double quote hello comma then backslash and after that dear. So here it will print hello dear. Now you can see that hello in double quote, then comma, then double quote, then space in between the double quote, then D, then double quote, and it is having space here and then here. And at the last, you can see that we are having here string literal. It is preceded by at the rate symbol in the double quotes hello dear is written. Syntax for defining constants. Now we'll discuss the syntax for defining constant. We can see here I'm having const, then data type will come, then const name of the variable will come, and then we'll have equal sign and assign the value. Means the literal which will assign in this variable. So for example, const string name equal to suppose ABC in double. Now I will discuss the example of literals in Visual Studio. In the Visual Studio, you can see that I have created a project with the name literals in C#. And in my project, I'm having the program.cs class. In this program.cs class, I have created three constant variables. So according to our syntax, first const keyword will come, then data type will come, then name of the constant variable will come, and after that equal to and then the value which we are assigning here. So here in the you can see that I am having int constant of type int, and name of the constant here is roll number, and I'm assigning 10 value to it. So this is of type integer, and here it is the constant variable. This is my const variable, and this is 10 value is the literal. It is of type integer literal. Similarly, I have declared name, price, and prefix. Name is of type string, and it is also constant, and I'm putting the value Ismail Saudagar in the string in the double quote. So Ismail Saudagar is the literal, and name is the constant variable. Similarly, I'm having price and prefix. So in the price, it is of type it is of type float, and it is also constant, and I have assigned here value 2.1 f. So this is my floating point value, which is legal because it is preceded by f here, and it is also having decimal point. And last, I'm having prefix, which is of type character. It is also constant. I'm putting m here as a prefix, and only in the single quote you can see that. Now I want to show you one thing that at the time of declaration also I have initialized. It means I have assigned the values to these variables. Suppose you can see here I have declared the variables and commented here. Now I will uncomment, and we'll see what will happen when I uncomment this. So when I uncomment this, you can see that we are having compile time error, and it is saying that the constant field requires a value to be provided. So at the time of declaration, we need to provide value, or we need to initialize it like here below we have done. And similarly, if I will uncomment this here, I'm trying to assign the new value to the constant variables. So you can see that here also you get the errors. It is saying that the left hand side of an assignment must be variable property or index. This is because we cannot assign the values to the already declared constant variable, because we cannot change the value present in the constant variables. So this is about constant. Now I will run this program and we'll see the output. Like on the output screen, you can see that I'm having my roll number, my name, and the floating point value, and the prefix. So this is all about constant. Now I'll go to our next slide. That is summary slide. So today we have covered constant voice in C#. Our next topic will be type transform, type conversion in C#. And also I want to say that I have put the playlist in the description of the video, so you can go to the playlist link and you can search your videos which you like in C#. I am having a number of videos. At the last, I want to say that please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Bye. Thank you.